So very good evening to all my students. Today we have grade 9 students, grade 10, 11 and 12, ICSE and ISC students in the classroom. Why? Because the topic is common in each and every class, and that is transformation of sentences. Now, see, there is a very big confusion when it comes to this topic, transformation of sentences. Many of the students, they think that this is only one topic. Actually, this grammar topic comprises of many things. If we talk about transformation of sentences comprises of voice, that is active and passive voice. Number 2, direct and indirect speech. Number 3, adjectives. Number 4, degree of adjectives. Number 5, sentences, basically positive, negative, compound, complex, and simple. Then 6th, conjunctions and the related rules. So can you see this, that there are multiple topics that are covered under the segment of transformation of sentences. There are various rules to be followed. And I'll tell you, in grade 9 and 10 ICSE, there are 8 questions, 8 marks. And when it comes to 11 and 12 ISC, there are 10 questions, 1 mark each. So, vast difference. ICSE and ISC has this transformation of sentences. So let's start the session with the first rule. I will give you chance to raise your doubts. Don't worry. The meaning of transformation of sentence is actually we change one sentence into a new sentence. Such a simple definition, but it becomes difficult when this statement is added without changing its meaning, my dear students. Changing of one sentence into another, but without changing its meaning. Like for example, can anyone read out the sentence? Please read it out.
He wasn't wise enough.
He wasn't wise enough. Now, this is a negative sentence because was plus not leads to a negative sentence. Okay, now why transformation of sentences is one of the toughest English grammar topics included in your grade? I'll tell you why. Now you will have to change it into positive. So students, change this sentence into positive, but do not change its meaning. You know what boys do? Sorry, what students do? They will write down, he was wise enough. And they think that they have changed it into positive. Never do that. He wasn't wise enough, and then you are writing the sentence as he was wise enough. How dare you change the meaning of the sentence when it comes to transformation of sentences, students? So anyone who wants to answer it, he wasn't wise enough. Come on, change the sentence into a positive sentence without changing its meaning. I'll only count till 3. 1.
He was foolish.
He was foolish. What's your name?
Nikhil.
Nikhil, full marks. Great job. You only converted this word into an antonym. Wise, the antonym of wise is foolish. See, the meaning has also not been changed and you have transformed the sentences. So definition done. Now let's come to the first rule. We all know that to is an adverb. It has a rule related to transformation of sentences. I'll tell you how. always remember, in case if you see this word to in a sentence, it will definitely be followed by to, and both are different words. If you are noting down my points, then you can write this, that these both are different words, but they will be used in a sentence all together. They will be used in a sentence all together. Let's move ahead. So let's read it out. Yes, anyone read the sentence. Read this sentence. Please read out the sentence. Huh.
He is too proud to beg.
No. Bache, read out the rule, please.
Transformation of sentences
containing the adverb.
Wait, please. Guru Bakshish, read it out.
Transformation of sentences containing the adverb to. Sentences containing the adverb to can be transformed by using the structure so that.
So,
example, he is too proud to beg.
Okay. Thank you so much. So this is your question. He is too proud to beg. And in the examination, they will not mention these conjunctions. They will only ask you to change it. Change, that's it. So whenever you see these two conjunctions together, remember this, they will be only transformed in one manner. And what is the manner? Let's see. He is too proud to beg. He is so proud that he cannot beg. So the first rule is that TOO in a sentence will definitely be followed by to when it comes to transformation of sentences. Other examples are he was too tall to be defeated. This is my example. Now, in case if students want to quote their examples, they are free to quote it. Please come up with your examples. Grade 10, 11, and 12. Any one of you. Come up with your examples. Be quick. Oh my God. No examples?
He is too old to pick up the bag.
Oh, very nice. He is too old to lift the bag or to pick up the bag. Okay, fine. Again, the same thing, TOO followed by to. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to come up with this rule?
He was too active to procrastinate.
Oh my God, excellent. Good. So fine. This is one rule, that is TOO followed by to. Now, when you would be converting or transforming this sentence using so and that, there is no other medium to transform it. Don't even try. 80% these people mention it in the bracket clearly, that use SO and that. Use SO and that. 80%. And in case if they do not use it, then also you would be using so and that. So let's see how to convert. Whenever you will transform this sentence, do not forget to use this word that with so. Do not forget to use that with this word so. And how these people have done it, I'll tell you. The formula is, this sentence has a formula, TOO plus to dot plus first form of verb. Always remember, हमेशा याद रखना, TO के बाद हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब आता है बच्चों. मेरी बात समझ गए ना? टू प्ले, टू ईट. बाकी अगर आप कोई भी फॉर्म लगा लें, सॉरी टू से नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? तो फॉर्मूला इसका बन गया TOO plus to plus फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. Now let's come to so that. So plus that plus negative form plus any form of verb. Now what is this actually? I'll tell you. For example, this sentence. Let's see whether this sentence is as per the formula. So बिल्कुल लगा हुआ है, बहुत अच्छी बात है. That बिल्कुल लगा है. नेगेटिव फॉर्म कैनॉट बिल्कुल लगा है और बेग लिखा हुआ है. तो ये बेग तो चलो फर्स्ट फॉर्म में है, बट as per the sentence it is not necessary that you would be getting first form of verb over here. 90% you would be getting first form. 90% or more you would be getting first form over here. So this was the sentence quoted. I had quoted this example. Now please transform the sentence using so and that. Wait. Only class 10 students. Only class 10 students will solve this. Yes, class 10 students. Use so and that.
He was so clever that he cannot be defeated.
मैंने क्लास 10th बोला तो खुशी ने पता नहीं कान में कौन सी मशीन लगाई है.
सॉरी सर, आवाज नहीं आई थी.
इट्स ओके चलो कोई बात नहीं. फिर से क्लास 10th आइए जरा पिक्चर में. क्लास 10th पिक्चर में आइए. वेयर इज परी, अंशिता, भव्य? अरे परी कहाँ है? वेयर इज परी?
यस सर.
अरे बेटा इसको चेंज करो. हाँ बच्चे, इतना क्यों डर रहे हो?
He was too clever to be defeated. He was so clever that he cannot be defeated.
That's it. Done. So इतना टाइम 10th क्लास
Excuse
में.
me, sir.
एक सेकंड. There is a doubt coming up. Oh ho. Yes, please.
So will we use cannot or could not defeat?
अच्छा चलिए देखते हैं. Let me see. He was too clever to be defeated. He was so clever that he could not be defeated. अब there is a very important concept coming up. ये देखिए जरा. अगर be लगा हुआ है सेंटेंस में, these are my concepts, then only apply could. Otherwise cannot will work. And if the sentence is in past, then apply could. फिर से समझिए. This sentence is in present. So these people applied cannot because can is in the form of present tense. Now let's change the sentence. In case if this sentence was, he was too proud to be. He was too proud to be surrendering in front of anyone. Oh my God. मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा टफ कर दिया है, सॉरी टू से. लेकिन आप ये समझिए अगर इसके बदले was आता है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Could.
Couldn't.
Couldn't. Very good. Everyone knows this. This is just so simple. Can is present tense. ये तो बच्चों वाले कॉन्सेप्ट सिखा रहा हूं. Is present tense में यूज होता है. Was past tense में यूज होता है. Cannot present tense में यूज होता है. इसी का past tense couldn't होता है. इसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो ये couldn't बन जाएगा. Oh my God. Let's see the second concept. सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम उल्टा है उसका. ओहो, ऐसा भी आता है. अच्छा चलिए जरा पढ़िए. समवन रीड इट आउट. उल्टा कर दो सेंटेंस को.
Sentence transformation using to.
हाँ.
To. He was so tired that he could not walk.
Wait.
Wait.
What is your name? मैं तो नाम ही नहीं जानता कईयों के. हाँ.
So
श्रेया, मेरे को ये बताओ ये कौन सा टेंस है?
Past.
Very good. पास्ट टेंस है। ये कौन सा टेंस है?
सर प्रेजेंट।
प्रेजेंट है। अच्छा बेटा, आस्क योर फादर टू हिट ऑन योर पाम्स। एक बार स्केल से उनसे बोलिए, एक बार स्केल से मारें आपके पाम्स पे, ठीक है? वेरी गुड। ये पास्ट टेंस, ये प्रेजेंट टेंस सिखाया है मैंने अभी इतनी देर में। चलो कोई बात नहीं, गलती हो जाती है बेटा। पास्ट टेंस, क्या बात कर रहे हो बच्चे? ये अगर पास्ट है तो आगे वाला प्रेजेंट हो जाएगा। बहुत इजी था यार। चलो खैर, ही वॉज सो टायर्ड दैट ही कुड नॉट वॉक। श्रिया, अब अगला सेंटेंस पढ़ो, मुझको बताना कि सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट में है कि पास्ट। पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़िए जरा।
He was too tired to walk.
हाँ बस, these are small things to be notified. was बस, could was is equal to was is equal to could, can is equal to is equal to cannot. वाह, मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूलाज डिराइव्ड बाय तरुण सर, थैंक यू। चलिए जरा, अब मैं क्वेश्चन लिखने जा रहा हूं इस स्टेट में, एंड यू विल हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म इट। नाउ क्लास 11th will have to be active. Wait. Sorry to write this such sentence. Hope so they do not see this. Oh my God. Such sentences you would be finding it in your exam paper. Do not expect pronouns. Do not expect pronouns, he, she, and all that. This is a sentence. Oh, who is it? Your name?
प्रियांशी।
चलिए प्रियांशी, चलिए स्टार्ट करिए। सबसे पहले इसको हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो।
So the politicians were too corrupt to win the elections.
The politicians was?
So were.
अच्छा ओके ओके, वही मैं बताने जा रहा था। I was going to circle this S. तुम you said that the politicians were, आगे बोलो, too corrupt
to win the elections.
To win the elections. Is Priyanshi right? Say yes, otherwise say no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. She is absolutely correct. तो भाई ये कॉन्सेप्ट आप लोग सीख गए, ठीक है? So any doubts? Raise your doubts. TOO followed by to, so followed by that, but conditions apply. Present tense, past tense, future tense. No doubts. Thank you so much. Why to waste time? Oh my God. What is this actually? No one can ever provide you with such sheet. Now we are going to understand the difference between simple, compound, complex sentences. But before this, let me see. All the students are either from ICSE board or ISC board. So you must be knowing this. What are simple sentences? ये क्या है? Simple sentences. 1, 2, 3, no idea. Shame on you all. Simple sentences are those sentences which are not separated by a conjunction. The simplest way to understand this sentence. Repeat it. What did I say? Arey,
Simple sentences are those sentences which cannot be separated by a conjunction.
which are not separated by a conjunction. Can anyone read this example? Can anyone read this example, and then this one, and then this one? Come on, you will never find the
Reading.
हाँ हाँ बोलो 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 पढ़ो sorry.
Reading books you can acquire knowledge. I saw a lame man. I saw them playing. We eat to live. He was too weak to walk.
Thank you. And now it is your task. Find a conjunction that has divided the sentence. Find a conjunction that has that has divided the sentence. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Be quick. You only have 10 seconds.
So there's no conjunction.
There's no conjunction.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
No conjunctions.
Why to waste time? Why to waste time? Simple sentences are those sentences which do not require the help of any conjunctions because they use only one or two verbs in a sentence. That's it. One or two verbs, number one. Number two, simple sentences are shorter. Simple sentences can only be divided by a comma, but not a conjunction. Can be divided by a comma, but not a conjunction. And the example is right here. Don't ever dare to think that comma is a conjunction. I have entertained such doubts from students कि सर ये देखिए डिवाइड हो तो गया कॉमा लगा है वाह वाह बेटा oh doubt आया yes
Sir, you said that in simple sentences there are no conjunctions, but sir, they can be joined with the help of prepositions. For example, sir, in spite of his riches, he is unhappy.
oh,
So, sir, in spite is the
yes
preposition.
absolutely but बिल्कुल सही. अभी देखना ऐसे कुछ सेंटेंसेस आपको यहां पे मिलेंगे, यहां पे नहीं यहां मिलेंगे, लेकिन इसके लिए देखिए जरा एक मिनट ये लीजिए, ये देखिए सिंपल सेंटेंस, ये लीजिए सिंपल सेंटेंस, लेकिन मुझको कंजंक्शन दिखाओ यहां पर बीच में दिखाइए जरा, इस पूरी शीट में कहीं भी कंजंक्शन दिखाइए. चलो भाई.
So there's no conjunction.
Thank you so much. God bless you. चलिए जरा. Oh my God, this sheet will take 2 to 3 hours. Who is ready to study till 12 a.m. today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. मैं इंसान नजर नहीं आता हूँ. मैं इंसान नजर नहीं आता हूँ क्या तुम लोगों को? जानवर हूँ क्या?
सर आपने पूछा है.
अच्छा समझे ना, मुझको न्यूज देखनी है, जल्दी पढ़ो. हाँ स्टार्ट करते हैं. सिंपल सेंटेंस. ओह आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इट, सॉरी. नाउ कमिंग अप टू कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. कंपाउंड मैथमेटिक्स फॉर्मूला वर्ड. अच्छा यू वांट टू.
Can I?
Yes, what's your name?
Sir, Pari.
Pari, answer it. Very nice.
So compound sentences are that type of sentences in which it has more than one verb or subject or predicate.
And one more. And one more thing.
And sir, they are joined with the help of subordinate conjunctions.
Okay. Oh, excellent. So grade 10 students, very active today. Now, in my words, how am I going to explain these compound sentences? Number one, I'll tell you what are compound sentences. First of all, they will definitely require a conjunction. And you all know that conjunctions are joining words. Number two, amazing concept going to come in front of you. First sentence, second sentence. whenever you will transform compound into complex or compound into simple, you people have to focus on one thing. Compound sentences are those sentences in which, first of all, the sentence is divided by and. 90% cases you will see that the sentence is divided by and. 90%. And she was correct. Subordinating conjunction. Remember this. Remember this. The first sentence and the second sentence will be divided by a conjunction. If not by a conjunction, then after a comma, they will apply a conjunction, but they will divide it with the help of and. 90%. Number two concept. Listen to this carefully. The first sentence will never be related to the second sentence directly. फिर से सुनिए, जो पहला सेंटेंस होगा वो दूसरे सेंटेंस से डायरेक्टली मतलब नहीं रखता होगा, वो डिवाइड हो जाएगा एकदम. जैसे एग्जांपल, ये देखो, यहां पर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस खत्म होगा, फिर दूसरा सेंटेंस स्टार्ट होगा. एंड क्या लिखा जो कि मैं करने जा रहा हूं, जल्दी बताइए.
I entered into my room and switched on the AC.
There is no correlation between both the sentences. Sorry, I don't know whether you people have discovered some correlation. Sorry to say, when the use of and is there in any sentence, first of all, this is only the identity of compound sentence. You will neither see it over here, you will nor see it over here. That's it. You will only see and under the segment of compound sentences. So look at how beautifully these people have transformed these sentences. Reading books, you can acquire knowledge. Oh, sorry, comma. Sorry. Reading books, comma, you can acquire knowledge. Why should I bloody apply this comma when I have this weapon and? Someone read it out. Look at how they have transformed it into a compound sentence. Be quick.
Read books and you can acquire knowledge.
Has the meaning changed? हो ही नहीं सकता.
No, sir.
No, sir. The meaning
Never,
is still the same.
never. Oh. चलो एक क्वेश्चन हो जाए इसी से रिलेटेड, फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट से रिलेटेड. ठीक है, लास्ट ईयर से ही पूछ रहा हूं, जो तुम्हारे एग्जाम में आया है. Read out the sentence.
Swim regularly.
Swim regularly. Wow.
Swimming regularly.
Comma, you will definitely learn it.
You will definitely learn.
ठीक है, अब ये स्विमिंग क्यों आया है? स्विम भी लग सकता है, नो मैटर. स्विमिंग इसलिए आया है, रीजन वाई कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म. चलो टेंसेस अभी नहीं पढ़ा रहा हूं, सो अवॉइड इट. चलिए जरा देखते हैं. नाउ कन्वर्ट दिस सेंटेंस इनटू कंपाउंड सेंटेंस एंड माइंड इट, ये आएगा ही आएगा, और इसी को कहते हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन विदाउट चेंजिंग इट्स मीनिंग. मैं अपना आंसर लिखने जा रहा हूं, तुम लोग
Swim regularly and you will learn it.
अरे अच्छा,
And you will definitely learn
एक सेकंड, and you will definitely learn it. Wait.
Swim regularly and you will definitely learn it.
Swim regularly and you will definitely
Swim regularly and you will definitely learn it.
Okay, fine, done. So this is how, if you get a question of simple sentence, this is how you will transform it into compound. Use and. In the curriculum of 9, 10, 11 and 12, if you talk about all these grades, you will have to use the conjunction and at any cost. Now coming up to, yes, please.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा.
Sir, in our school, the use of and by is strictly restricted. We are not.
अच्छा, thanks for teaching me. अभी मेरी पूरी जानकारी मेरी पूरी जानकारी लग रहा बच्चों से ली नहीं आपने. खैर चलो, आप बहुत नन्हे हो. अरे बच्चे, आंखें खोलो और देखो क्या लेक्चर पढ़ा रहा हूं मैं. ये मैं सिंथेसिस पढ़ा रहा हूं तुमको. क्या पढ़ा रहा हूं मैं आपको? अरे डरो नहीं. सॉरी. समझे, थोड़ा एग्रेसिव हो जाता हूं बेटा. मैं ही स्कूल हूं. डोंट वरी, आई एम नॉट एरोगेंट. मेरे बच्चे, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. आप जो कह रहे हैं इतना सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट आप मुझको बताओगे बेटा कि एंड बट सो ना यूज करो. चलो, गुड दैट यू आर वेरी अटेंटिव. गॉड ब्लेस यू. मेरे बच्चे,
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ गुरुबख्शीश, बोल बेटा.
So you said, sir, we can only use, sir, 90%, sir, we will get, sir, and in the compound sentences. So, but can we use any other conjunction rather than using and?
Okay. Oh, good. Absolutely. Let's start. But don't write anything. ठीक है? ये लीजिए. So there are more conjunctions, don't worry. And 90% and the rest of the conjunctions I would be teaching you over here and then over here. So it will take time. Sorry to say, it will take time. Wait, let me explain complex sentences quickly. 1, 2, 3. Complex sentences. Number 1 and the only concept is that, first of all, जैसे यहां पर and is a weapon, यहां पर ये रहा वेपन. समझ गए? This is the weapon over here. Why? Because has been used because the first sentence will completely be correlated to the second sentence. अब देखिए कितना फर्क है. ठीक है, बताइएगा कौन सा सेंटेंस कंपाउंड है. अमनप्रीत, टाइम बताइए कितना बचा है जल्दी से.
सर 2 मिनट.
Oh shit. जल्दी. We all are here and they haven't reached. ये देखो, नो कनेक्टिविटी. फर्स्ट और सेकंड सेंटेंस में कोई कनेक्टिविटी नहीं, लेकिन कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में कनेक्ट. हाँ बेटा, मेरे बच्चे रुक जाओ. तो सेकंड सेंटेंस, कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में जरा कनेक्टिविटी देखना. ठीक है? Very good. Why are they here? Because of them. This is called connectivity. These sentences are called complex. And what conjunctions we would be using in compound and what conjunctions we would be using in complex sentences, this would be my next lecture. First, we would be discussing this sheet, that how to change sentences. What all conjunctions would be used here? We would be discussing it in the next class. समझ गए? ये देखिए कितना फर्क है. Read books and you can acquire knowledge. If you read books, connectivity बन गई. So class, tomorrow's timetable, everyone knows it. Class 10th, 6 p.m. Class 12th, 8 p.m. And then class 11th, 8:40. Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.